So here we're going to take a look at a very cool tool that is already built into Google Docs that is for sure underutilized. And it is the ability for you to talk and Google to type. And this is located under the Tools menu, and I just simply choose Voice Typing. Now, just like any other tool, it isn't perfect. But for those people that struggle to type, or if I just simply want to speak and let Google do the rest of the work, it's a pretty cool feature. So what I can do is just simply click on the speaker, the microphone icon here. And now Google Voice is activated. And I can see right now that it didn't pick up the first few words that I spoke, but as you can see now, it continues to type while I talk, period. And with a pretty good accuracy. And what you saw right there is Google is smart enough to know to go back and edit its own mistake. Period. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of turn off the voice here, but you can see that it continues to analyze my voice, and we'll look at what is typed, and we'll go back and edit the text as well. And you can see that it automatically had bold and underline, and this is something that I forgot I had turned on before I started recording. The cool thing with Google Voice as well is that it can actually go back and edit your document. Now, inside of my blog post, I have a link that will take you to this Google Docs editor type with voice. And you'll see here that there's a lot of other things that I can do. I can add punctuation. It also allows me to edit my document. So if I wanted to select a paragraph, if I wanted to edit, if I wanted to format, all of these things are what is built into Google Voice as well. So I'm going to go back and just take a look at this right here, and I'm just going to show you how I can edit my document. And I'm going to keep my fingers crossed to hope that this works. Select the paragraph. Select all. Bold, bold, underline, underline, done. Undo, stop listening. So you can see there I can actually use my voice to go back and edit the paragraph as well. Again, not perfect, but definitely pretty cool. So especially if you're a teacher, then you wanted to leave some feedback for students at the end of a Google document, and you just didn't feel like typing this out, what I could do is just simply bottom of my paragraph, maybe I even highlight, I bold, I italicize, I choose a different font, and then I could just simply let Google do all the work rather than trying to type accurately with my fingers. So hopefully you find a use for Google Voice. Definitely a feature that kind of sits in the background that not many people know is there. So hopefully you find a way to integrate this into your teaching.